Hello students. Okay, in last video we have seen about the relational operator, and in this video I'm going to tell you about logical operator. Okay, there are basically three types of logical operator. Okay, here you can see there are three types of logical operator: and, or, and not, and logical or, and logical not. These three operators are called a logical operator. The logical operator is used between two or more than two relational operators. So first you need to prepare the relational operator, because the concept of relational operator is used in this logical operator. Okay, yeah, as I have told, these logical operators are used between two relational operator to make a decision. Okay, if you want to take a decision using relational operators, then there is need of this logical operators. Okay, how can we use this logical operator? One thing more about this logical operator is this logical operator produces either true or false. It means it produces the result either true or false, means Boolean value. Okay, it means if we use this logical operator, then it will give either true value or false value as result. Okay, how it is possible? How can we use this true value or false value? How can we get this true value or false value? To understand, whenever it produces logical operator, it produces true value or false value. To understand this, I'm going to tell you a table. Using this table, you can easily understand the result of this logical operator. The first I'm telling about and. Okay, as I told that these operators are used between two relational operators, and these relational operators is used for a particular condition. So we can say these logical operators are used between two or more than two conditions. Okay, or we can say these logical operator depends upon the condition. Okay, so I'm taking for and, suppose I'm taking a condition 1, and I'm taking another condition 2. Okay, for this condition we can use the relational operator. For this condition we can also use the relational operator, and this is AND operator. Suppose I'm saying this condition A and this condition B. Okay, so if I want to use this AND operator and logical operator, then we can write like A and B. Okay, so what will be the output of this A and B? As I told, that the output will be either true or false, means Boolean value. But when it will produce an true or false, let me show you this. Suppose the condition 1, the result of this condition 1 is false. If I'm saying the result is false, and the condition of the second condition, the result is false. Okay, if first time the result is false and the second condition is also false, Then in AND case, false and false. A is false, B is false. It means we can say false and false means false. Okay. Same thing we can write for if the first condition is false and the second condition is true. Okay. First is false, second is true. It means false and true. That will be false. Same thing if I write true and false, it means true and false. This will produce again false. If I write true and true, true and true, this will produce the result true. Okay, here you can see when the AND logical operator produces true. You can see here, if both the conditions are true, then the result will be true. This is the concept of AND, logical AND operator. Mind this point. AND logical operator produces true if all the conditions are true. You have to write this point. And logical AND produces true as result if all the conditions are true, then it will produce true. Okay, same thing we can use for the OR operator or logical operator. Suppose same thing, I'm writing A, B. This is the condition 1, condition 2, and A or B. This is pipe sign. You can see this pipe sign at the keyboard. Okay, suppose this is false. If I'm writing false, false, then the result will be false. Okay, in OR condition, in the case of OR, if both the conditions are false, then the result is false. If the first condition is false and the second condition is true, then the result will be true. If the first is true and second is false, then the result will be also true again. If the first is true and second is true, then the result will be true also. Now you can see in the case of OR, result will be true. Mind this point, you have to write this. In the OR condition, in the logical OR operator, result will be true if any one of the condition is true. In OR, result will be true if any one of condition is true. Okay, the next one is NOT. This is very simple. NOT operator is like, suppose the condition is A. Okay, this works upon a single condition or a group of conditions. Okay, suppose I am taking a condition A, and we can write A like this, not A. This is the way to write NOT operator. Okay, if A is false, then this will be true. The result will be true. If the condition is true, then result will be false. Okay, in the case of NOT logical operator, result will be true if the condition is false. Result will be false if the condition is true. Okay, I think you have got this logical operator. How this logical operator works, let me show you using an example. Okay, suppose I'm taking A A is equal to 5, B is equal to 7, and C is equal to, suppose I'm taking C. Okay, the first condition I'm taking A greater than B. As I have told, logical operator is used between the two or more than two relational operators, so I'm taking a relational operator A greater than B. Okay, the value of A is 5, the value of B is 7. Okay, and the second I'm taking B greater than C. Okay, A greater than B, this is the relational operator, and it means this is a condition. B greater than C, this is the second condition. So I can take a logical operator. This is the logical operator. A greater than B means 5 greater than 7. It is false. B greater than C means 7 greater than 6. It is true. It means the first condition is false, the second condition is true. False and true. Now, what will be the result? You can analyze this from the table. This is the table. False and true. False and true will be false. So, we can see false and true will be false. In the case of AND, false and true will be false. If same thing I write A greater than B or B greater than C, it means this is false, this is true. Okay, but here you can see the OR operator is used, so the result will be true. Why the result will be true? You can see or you can analyze from the table. OR, false, true. The first condition is false, the second condition is true, then the result will be true. Okay, from this example I think you can easily understand. Let me tell you the NOT operator. Suppose I am taking A greater than B, and here I am writing NOT. A greater than B means false. Okay, so I can say not false. Not false means true. From the table you can analyze this. Okay, this is the way and this is the example. I think you have understood this. You have understood this logical operator. If you have any problem, you can call me or WhatsApp me. Thank you.